Hello, good morning. I just flexed my garden today. What a beautiful day to come out and see your garden that blooming and producing productive. See, look, I have my flowers. Maybe I will go to my parents to bring these flowers. See, lots of flowers in the garden. Beautiful lettuces. See, very fresh. My pineapples. See, I clean up a bit my garden and now it looks better and beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. This is a plant of my father. That's why I don't want to remove this one. I just keep on trimming because it's beautiful. See the flowers of shallots, the chives, the perilla. There's a lot. Santa Makmak ng perilla. And my passion fruit, they're already dropping. See, there's one that dropped there, and I think they're already becoming ripe na. They're becoming purple now. See, and now they will start to flower again. That's why I need to trim a bit so that there's more fruits. Okay, thank you. See you again. Bye. Good morning.